welcome everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of an absolutely beautiful 1974 Cadillac Eldorado. This boat is beautiful. Make sure you go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video so you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. And this virtual test drive is for the purpose of you getting to see it out in the sun. How does it drive? What's it sound like on the road? For all the additional information, go on over to volocars.com. We go in depth to tell you everything we know about it. We have 100 or so additional pictures, undercarriage, engine, trunk, everything. And it even says the selling price. And then we're done there, go on over to, or give our salesman a call. Really is a beautiful caddy. I like the yellow and wood grain. Interior looks great. Get on in here. If you notice the dash, original. Everything's good. And if you haven't started your 8-track collection yet, I'm sure we can throw in this Bob Dylan's Greatest Hits for you. All right, see if we can buckle this in real quick. All right, let's start it up. Starts right up. Fan turns on. Good. Radio works. Let's just see if we can play Bob. I love it. So this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop gets a chance to take this out on the road. So I'm gonna get kind of used to it, go around, and we get to experience what it's like to drive this one. Has your cruise control features there, the power top, rear defogs on there, and the power antenna. Man, I'm looking in, the interior is just gorgeous. I'm not seeing any cracks, tears, and it has the power seats. Speedo's working. Drives nice and straight. The steering's real responsive. You turn it a little bit, it starts going. Brake feels good. The accelerator. Everything looks just awesome in this car. The brakes are nice, not too hard, not too mushy. I already know what this one's gonna feel like going over a bumpier road. It's gonna be like you're cruising out on the lake. Just a relaxing, comfortable ride. I love these older Cadillacs. Stop straight. I could cruise all over town in this thing all day long. Oh, this baby has plenty of get up and go. Shift smooth. Just a real comfortable car. These seats, you don't melt into them, but they just really comfortable. Turning radius is not too bad on this. Just a real awesome, comfortable drive. I love seeing that Cadillac emblem up there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said before, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. As always, I appreciate you.